All right, bud. So we got the JBL Tour Ones right here. We're gonna unbox these bad boys. It's 2022. These came out in the middle of 2021, so it's about a year apart actually. We're gonna see if these are, still worth buying. I see that they're sold out on the JBL website. I see that Amazon always has low stock. They always say one left, and then tomorrow you'll look and there's a million of them. So these are still being bought a lot. These are right now for the price. They're going for $300 on Amazon. I put the link down below. But also, if I find the refurbished, I was trying to look. I couldn't find it because I like to get refurbished off Amazon because it's easy to send right back to them. If I find that, I'll also put that down below. But I didn't see it when I did a quick glance through. So they are going for $300 right now. So let's just unbox it. I'll probably just skip to where I got it open so you guys have to wait for this. All right, so I pulled that part out so it was way easier. And so here we go. There goes the case right here. Let me see if this is paperwork or is this charging stuff as well. So I'm really hyped to get these on here because JBL, when it comes to portable, is a great brand. For portable speakers. You got your paperwork and tell you how to work everything. I might need this later. It's a great brand when it comes to portable speakers. A lot of people like their earbuds as well. This is my first time trying out JBL headphones. I got the Sony M4s. The M5s are, I think, just came out or coming out. So that's a whole hype thing right now. And this is our first look at these headphones. So as you can see that they have the case like a lot of headphones nowadays where you can fold it up, easy to take with you on a plane, any travel, put them in your bag for school, all that stuff. They're easy, foldable, you got a basketball game, you're good to go. Now you got different types of wires. You got your aux right here, so that'll come in handy. And you have, USB type C, but it's pretty long. It's a pretty long cord. I like that. You got your little double jack right here. This is mostly for, I believe, airplanes. That's the only time I ever really see it. So you fit all that in there, and you got your headphones down. We got these little cups in here. Let's take those bad boys out, and let's put the case to the side as well. Like I said, these are noise canceling, so you can block out the world, block out the plane sound, the travel sound, whatever. You're at the gym, block it all out. So when it comes to the battery life, it says with noise canceling, it's going to be about 25 hours of battery life, and if you have noise canceling off, you can get 50 hours of battery life. So double the battery life with noise canceling off, and of course it needs to use more battery to block out the outside world. But it also said if you charge this with a USB-C for 10 minutes, you can get 3 hours of playtime. So if these do die on you, charge it up for 10 minutes to get 3 more hours and finish that movie, whatever you're watching and stuff. And that is the battery life. And normally when it comes to headphones, unlike speakers, and I feel like earbuds, I don't know why, I feel like headphones last longer, even on full blast, because my Sony X4s, I normally run them on full blast. I use them at the computer. I swear I don't charge those things for like a month, and then finally it starts beeping, and it's so rare. It's like, what? These things are dying already, but I've used them for a month. So I'm also going to do a full review on these. So I'm going to be using these for like a week or two while I'm on the PC. This is just going to be my main source and see how it is, see how the sound is and all that. I am going to just test them out a little bit later in the video and let you know what the sound quality and all that sounds like. And we'll also check the app and see what the app has to offer. When it comes to the design of it, I like it. It's light. It's really light. I like the little chromey chrome on there. It looks real clean. I like that. So I'm going to put them on right now though, and let's see what they feel like. They're not even on, and it's already, like, the world is already blocked out. I can't hear the fan from my light anymore. Well, I could, but it's hard to hear it. But yeah, they're really light. The cups, they don't feel too bad. They kind of feel, they're soft, but they also feel like they're grippy, man. Like, so it won't go nowhere on your head. But yeah, they're really light, and I do like that. That's one thing I liked about the Sony M4s is that they were just so light and comfortable. One thing with headphones, the top of my head just starts to hurt, and those Sonys, they never hurt, and I feel like these won't do it either because they're just so light. There's a nice cushion up here up top. I like the way it feels. This is the way it looks. I'm gonna give you guys a little turn. They feel good, man. These also have 4 mics in there, so I'm guessing 2 in each cup to give clear sound, clear quality. I'm gonna try to connect it to my phone, and when I have a conversation within this week of testing, and I'll let you guys know in that video if I do another like full review video of this. These also work with Alexa and Google, so you can talk to either of those while you're wearing these. And yeah, I can't wait to see what the sound is about, because that's what we all care about, right? So let me turn on a couple songs, and I'll get back to you of what the sound quality sounds like. All right, we are connected. I'm doing the touch. It's very, very sensitive. It reacts right away. It's sensitive in a good way. I like what's going on here. All right, so we're connected. I'm gonna bust out a couple of songs. All right, so there we go. I listened to a couple of songs, so let me give you my little quick little review of what I hear already from these. All right, so one thing is the volume. So we're gonna start with the volume. Now the volume is pretty good. It's pretty decent. It seems like it peaks at 80%. What do I mean by that? It's noise canceling effect. Now we do a lot of earbuds, more than headphones. We do a lot of earbuds on here, and noise canceling earbuds, probably like 9 out of 10 times, they seem like they peak at 80% volume. Now that's because they block out the whole world. You can't hear nothing else. So they're trying to protect our ears so we don't have it blasting and damaging our ears. And that's the main reason for like the noise canceling peaks. Now some companies, they break that. They're like, we're going to let you be loud and have blasting loud music, and we're going to block out the world. But it seems like 9 out of 10 times companies go the way with a lower max volume cap. Now I know a lot of people are going to say like, Rob, what are you talking about? Like they're loud. I have these. They're really loud. Now we all take in sound different, but one thing is for sure, we like volumes way different, and there's a spectrum. There's people like me that like blasting loud music. My car, you get in there, you can't even hear yourself think. We're blasting it all the way till we get to our location. Like I'm watching a fight, I'm watching a sports event, it's max, max volume. Some people are like that. I love it loud, and my wife doesn't like it. She wants the car stereo turned down. When she listens to music, she wants it on medium volume and headphones and earbuds and stuff. So, but if you're one of those people that like blasting loud music, you probably won't like these because you want it to be blasting loud, and that's probably one disappointment for some people. But let's talk about the overall sound quality. When it comes to the overall sound quality, I like it. You have no problems with the highs, meaning like hi-hats, claps. Some songs got loud claps. Some people's S's and R's are not, mastered right, produced right, and they peek through and they hurt your ears in some songs. So you won't have that problem with these. They won't peak, they won't hurt your ears, none of that. You won't get no clippy sound or something that will hurt your ears. You're very protected. So even in my EQ that I'll put right here, I basically boosted the bass to 3, and then I boosted everything else to 4 because it controls those highs really good, where it's not getting out of control. And it also gives you a little bit of volume boost in there without having that distortion, meaning without messing up your music and making it sound crappy. Since I already mentioned the EQ, that's another thing these headphones have. They do have an EQ app where you can EQ the music and all that and get your perfect sound. I definitely recommend to EQ these yourself and just boost it up. Now with this app, you can click the little dots and add some and go crazy. I just say if you really don't know what you're doing, just add a dot on the lines that they have set for you and just boost it from there. But if you know what you're doing, you can hit all those frequencies if you want. But if you don't worry, just click it and just move it up to like 3, 4. You don't have to go all the way up. You don't want to get too crazy, but just follow those lines if you really don't know how to operate the EQ. One thing I am disappointed in is the bass in these. I thought I was gonna have a little bit more bass. Some of the best sounding basses I've heard was the Sony, I forgot, XB1, It's some from a while back. They came in red, blue, orange, and green. But those were like the extra bass headphones too. But I really was disappointed in this bass because it's JBL. I really expected to get some nice bass in these headphones. That was probably the most disappointing part for me, was the bass in these, because my expectations were so high. And I'm not saying the bass is horrible, but I'm pretty sure like me, a lot of you guys the expectation for JBL is like really good bass, really clear sound. They nailed the clear sound, and the clarity of the music sounds amazing. It's just that bass. I want more bass, and I'm also a bass head. Normally, if you like loud volume, you like loud bass. But that was just my real quick unboxing breakdown. I'm gonna use these bad boys for like a week or two And when I'm on the PC and I'm doing everything, listening to all my YouTube stuff and watching stuff and playing music while I'm working, these are what I'm gonna be using, and I do a future video for you guys if you want me to break it down for you. So overall, I like the quality. They look slick. I like the way they feel. I like the sound quality as well. Sound quality is really good. I wish I had a little bit more bass. You can boost it yourself. And remember, there's an EQ app, but sometimes, even boosting it all the way up doesn't really do nothing sometimes in the bass, for me at least. And when it does, it overdoes it. So I say boost it to 3, give you a little bit more something. And definitely for the sound quality, EQ it, guys. Boost it up, and it gives you a little bit more clarity. Everything sounds so much more better, a little more volume in there. But I really like these. They do sound good. I do like them. I can't wait to use them for a while. And when it comes to the loud volumes because of the noise canceling, I'm so used to it doing this channel. I'm so used to noise canceling, a lower peak for max volume, even though I'm a crazy volume lover. So I do like what they have here. I'm pretty sure my wife is probably gonna try to take these from me. But if you guys like this video, buds, of this little unboxing, check out some of my other videos right here. Check out some of these earbuds or whatever you want. See if you'd like something else on this channel. And if you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. My name is Rodney. This was Wanna Buy It, and shout out to JBL for sending this over. I hope they send another over. We keep the reviews honest over here, if they send it or not. But you know how we do. My name is Rodney. This is Wanna Buy It. Peace.